Hello everybody, welcome back to AI Extend video. This is a quick one. I'm going to show you how to turn a 2D image or a 2D cartoon, like this one for example, into this with one click. It is amazing. This is a new AI image or AI art generator called Stylar AI. Let me show you how I did this. Here's another example. Cartoon drawing of a muscular man, Hulk. Here's the original shot for example. I'll just turn off the top layers. There she is. And then look, 3D version. Here's a different version. You can keep running this until you get what you like. Anyways, this is amazing. Let me show you how to do it step by step. Alright, so the first step is you want to go to Stylar AI. When you do that, you get to sign up or log in. If you have an account, you probably don't. So you want to click sign up. I've just gone ahead and signed up with my Gmail account. I'll quickly note here that you get 200 credits to start, and they regenerate every 7 days. So basically, 50 batches of 4 images, just to be specific. Once you've gone ahead and signed in, you can go ahead and click on this new project button. Right here, we're in and we're cooking. Okay. The next step here is on the left side. You'll see import images and text to image. In this situation, I want to use import images, but it also has standard text to image. So if you want to go text to image, go ahead and do that. I'm going to import an image, so I just click on the button, and then I'm going to import our Batman character for this one, and I hit open. And presto, here he is. Now I'm just going to go ahead and make this a little bigger. So I'm going to hold down the Shift key, and I'm just going to expand the size of Batman, just so it's a little bigger in the canvas. So there we go. It looks pretty good. Now I'm going to go ahead. And I'm going to click on Image to Image. When I do that, you get a whole bunch of options, but there's really only a few that matter. You can choose your style. Now I'm going to select the default realistic, but I want you to know that there are like 40 of them, 40 other ones here, and they are all excellent. So you can go through them: apocalyptic, horror, floral, tattoo, dot work, BMW, tattoo logos. I mean, it's all here. I'm going to show you the 2D to 3D version here. But again, Stylar AI has a whole bunch of them, so here we go. The next step that I'm going to do is you can either type out the prompt, or better yet, click on the auto prompt. When you do that, basically, Stylar AI is going to go in and try and figure out what's going on in this image, so it can replicate it using this style. So here we go. Okay, it came back with the image features a cartoon drawing of Batman standing on one leg, wearing his signature black and yellow costume. He is holding his cape. Okay, yeah, sounds pretty good. So, okay, cool. Now the last thing I'll do here is I'm going to change the structure match to 1.0. And basically, this is just how well the generated image we're about to create matches the input of the prompt. So we're basically saying, hey, match it as much as possible. Once we've got that done, click on Stylarize. I see, yeah, that's a pretty cool word. They're probably going to turn that into a noun or something. I don't know. And there we go. We're going to go ahead and create it. It's going to create 4 results. I'll come back when they're done. Alright, welcome back. So here we go. It's done. 4 examples here, and I can already tell the top 2 are a little strange. So I'm going to hover over. Actually, you know what? That's not too bad. Although that looks like it's changing gender a little bit. But it's 2024, so that's normal. This one's not too bad, but they changed the color of the pants. But whatever, there you go. This is the point, and here we go. This one's not quite as 3D as I would have liked, same with this one. But again, if you get the one you like let's say it's this one, all you need to do is click on it and then just click place on canvas. If you do not get the version you want, you can always either re-click on Stylarize, or you can go ahead and adjust the prompt a little bit and run it again. So if I wanted to run it again, I would just click on Stylarize, and it would give me another 4. Now you'll notice up top right here, it says 182. So every time I click on that, I'm using 4 credits, but you get 200 free ones, and you get 200 every 7 days. So keep that in the back of your head. Literally, that is all there is to it. Don't forget to like this video if you find it useful and subscribe to our channel for more amazing tutorials like this one. Thank you so much for watching, and until next time, happy creating.